so super proud that The Last Mermaid is part of the Festival of Voices. I just think it's been something that Cardiff's been crying out for, and not just Cardiff, Wales in general.
It's an international celebration of the voice, and it is something that Wales is renowned for. It sounded like the ideal project, so it's been very experimental and very exciting to take a fairy tale like The Little Mermaid and totally reboot it for the 21st century and make it quite expressionistic as well.
She has to leave this place. In our story it isn't quite the same as the Hans Christian Andersen's original, but she has to leave the ocean in our version because it's unsafe and she may not survive there. But then when she changes into a human, she gets on land, they don't particularly want her there either. So yeah, I think expect the unexpected, expect to be surprised, but I think it'll be a feast for the eyes and the ears. Obviously we've got our 12-piece choir. It's just some incredible voices.
It's bold, it's exciting, it's totally new. It is as fresh can be.
We need to start, shouting about the fact that we've got a lot to offer, and we've got lots of incredible music and a real cultural hub here that we need to start showing people.